So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Helene, and you guys, in this video I'm going to do something different. I am going to show you how you can apply gel polish as perfect and neat as you can on your toes. This time not on your nails, but on the nails of your toes. So yeah, you guys, before you go ahead and watch this video, go on my social media accounts, show me some love, come back and watch this video. So you guys, look at my crusty, crunchy toenails. This is just a shame. Just a shame. I don't have time to do anything for myself. My toenails are looking like this for like a month or two now. I just can't. So the thumb was broken, my natural nail. So I'm just going to get this done because I just can't look like this anymore. So I'm getting the old gel polish off using the tornado bit, and look how easy it's getting off, you guys. This is just a lifesaver. This is just a lifesaver. It's just a lifesaver when it comes to gel polish and getting the gel polish off your toes. And you just use it like on a medium speed so you don't affect too much of your natural nail. So I'm getting that off, and you guys, you will see that my thumbnail is like a little bit yellow, and it's lifted from my skin because when I go on to Cures, I always go to Carnival, and I don't know the shoes or any, I just don't know what happens, but every year I have the same thing, that my nail is like lifted from my natural nail, from my skin I mean. I have that always. Sometimes you also have people that the nail will just fall off after a couple of days. I think it's because your toes are too much in the shoes and are too much pressure on your toes. So now I'm going to cut it off. I just wanted it to grow so I can shape it, so that's why I ended up letting it grow this long, but now I just cut almost everything off. But as you can see at the in the corner, it's a little bit broken. It's broken, so I'm going to fix it with some Polygel, but I'm just using some nail clippers to clip down the nails. And you guys, make sure if you are someone that does manicure and also toenails, don't use the same thing on your client's hands and or on the toes. So these are some nail clippers that I have that I always use only on my toes, and the things that I'm going to use are things that I only use on my toes, or if I use something, I will disinfect it really properly with warm water and some alcohol. Disinfect your things, you guys. And let me tell you, I just don't like feet. I just don't like feet. So I don't do any pedicure for my clients. I just hate doing feet for people. I just don't like touching it. So no, don't ask me to do it for you because I will not. So now I'm going to spray it with some alcohol, and I'm using a cuticle pusher to push back the cuticles on my toes, and I'm doing that as gently as I can because sometimes if you have a client, it can feel a little bit painful. I don't really have a sensitive cuticle area, but some people have, so you can just do that on yourself or on your client. And I'm doing that so I can get the excess old skin off. And I also have these bits that I only use on my toes, and this is a pointy bit that I have got from a package that I've ordered something from AliExpress a couple of years ago. So that's what I'm using on my toes, and I'm just getting the excess old skin off at the cuticle area. I'm sorry that it's blurry. This was so hard to film, you guys. I have to say, the gel polish is not as perfect as I would like it to be, or how it normally will be, because this was so hard for me to film and be on camera and also make it clean. This was so hard, you guys, but I will be practicing so I can make more videos for you guys. If you like this video of this nail gel polish on toes, I'm going to practice more if you want to see more, but this was so hard, so I did my best. And now I'm using like a round bit to also get into the cuticle area to push the cuticles and make them clean and round. And when I'm done with this step, I'm going to get the excess cuticles or the excess skin off with my cuticle scissors and with my cuticle nippers. So now I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape on the thumb and also on the little fingers, and I want it like to be a square, so I'm just shaping it like that. You can also make it round, the shape that you would like it to be. So now I'm using some alcohol to spray on the nails, and I'm using a little brush that I also use only on my feet to clean them and get the excess dust off. And now I'm using some cuticle nippers and a cuticle scissor, a old cuticle nipper and the cuticle scissor that I had used before on clients. Now I'm using it only on my feet, and I'm getting off the excess old skin at the cuticle area. So now I'm using a medium grit bit for the sanding band to get the natural shine off the nail, and sanding the nails and making it a little bit rough so the gel polish can stick better. So you guys have got the excess dust off, and now I'm using some clear polygel, and I'm just using it at the area where my nail was broken, and I'm just applying it and using some alcohol instead of slip solution. I don't know, I just like using alcohol better than slip solution with polygel. So I'm just doing that and placing a really thin layer only at the area where I had that little broken piece of my nail, just a little bit, so you can file it as flat as you can. And I'm just flattening it down with the the alcohol. And yeah, I'm just playing with it until I'm satisfied, and I'm going to cure it on my lamp for a couple of minutes. So I'm using the hand file to smooth down the polygel after it's cured, and I'm just filing it, and just filing it to get like a smooth surface and as flat, so you cannot see a thick piece, only at the area that I had that the nail was broken. And now I'm buffing the nails, and when I'm done, I'm using again some alcohol and a little manicure brush to get off the excess dust. So now I'm applying some base coat on the nail. I'm applying the base coat from Modelones, and I'm applying it all over the nails. And when I'm done, I'm going to cure it under my lamp and I only use one coat of base coat. So hey baby, if you're still here watching, thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I really appreciate it, you guys. Thank you so much. Let me know by commenting a foot emoji in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe if you are watching but not subscribed yet. And the word that I'm going to teach you guys today from my language Papiamento will be tenchi, and tenchi means toe. So now, after curing the nails, I'm going to apply a layer of white gel polish, also from Modelones, and I'm applying it on all the nails and not too close to the cuticle area, because later on we will use a detailing brush to get the gel polish at the cuticle area. And as I've said before, you guys, this was so hard, so I just went with some white gel polish into the cuticle area, and I just hate that. I don't like cuticle gel polish go into my cuticles. I just don't like it. It looks so messy, but you know, this was the first time that I was filming on my toes, so this was like a kind of an experiment. So it was a little bit difficult for me. Normally I will not get gel polish in the cuticles, but you guys, this time I just had a lot of gel polish in the cuticle area. But yeah, when you're not going to film your nails at home, you can just apply the gel polish not as too close to the cuticle area, but you will use a detailing brush to get more and clean into the cuticle area, okay? And if you have gotten into the cuticle area, I will just using the pointy part of my cuticle pusher and to get that off from the cuticle area. So now I'm using the detailing brush to get a sharp line at the cuticle area with some white gel polish on it. So after curing it under my lamp, I'm applying the second coat of gel polish. So after curing once again, I'm applying the top coat also from Modelones on the nails, and then I will go ahead once again under my lamp to cure the gel polish. So yeah, you guys, this is the end result. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this video, this kind of videos. I have to say this is not my best work that I've done on my toes, because once again it was so hard to film, but you know, I did my best to make this kind of video for you guys. Let me know what you think, and yeah. So yeah, you guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel only if you have liked and learned something from this video. So if you didn't like this video, maybe you can go ahead and watch other videos from me, and maybe you will like some of my other videos. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video with your family, friends, Halloween people, you know, share this video. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.